It's the way young people spend their leisure time. The focus has shifted from outdoor to indoor activities and that too many screen-based activities. These include playing video games, browsing through social media sites, watching videos and movies. Technology has made people more able to judge themselves even when they are alone. We don't need to depend on someone else for entertainment. It offers children a golden chance to get access to the whole world on the internet, which has a great deal of valuable knowledge to perceive. Although there are some undeniable features of this phenomenon, I am of the opinion that the drawbacks are more significant. Are very addictive and school children can glue their eyes to the screen to play for hours. As a result, this has led to poor academic records. Spending too much time in front of screen can cause short-sightedness. Also, I do concern that the future generation will lack of communication skills within the community. In conclusion, this trend exists some positive features. It seems to me that the drawbacks are more remarkable. Thank you.
Chairpersons, principals, and my teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Janat Kenny and I am the pupil of grade 5. The topic of my debate is technology has changed the way young people spend their leisure time. Dear fellows, as you already know that in today's modern world, technology is advancing day by day, due to which the life of human being has become very easy. Technology in general refers to all used in tools, machines, or devices used in our day-to-day life. It is a result of the advancement of science. Today, technology is now a very integral part of the day-to-day life for each and every one of us. There have been many technological developments that have made our work much easier, like computer, mobile, and many more. All things were used like washing machine, bicycle, television are also technology. Internet is probably the most famous means to spread information. People can communicate with each other through voice calls and video calls. The technology is making educational system improve over time. The use of technology in the field of industry, bank, transport or security has made the world much easier. Although technology is a good thing, everything has two sides. Technology also has two sides, good and bad. The excessive use of technological equipments and inventions has created different sorts of pollution. It creates addiction, it makes people socially isolated, it creates shortage of jobs, natural resources get exhausted. Technology has no doubt the greatest blessing to humans. Technology is like a coin which has both positive and negative sides. And if we use it in a positive way, it will affect our lives positively and have a positive impact on our present and future generations. You might got the idea what I am talking about and why I am in favor of this. Thank you.
A warm good morning to honorable judges, respected teachers, and my fellow debaters. My name is Dua Kyani and I am from grade 6. Today, I am here to present my views against the topic technology has changed the way young people spend their leisure time. In this day and age, technological novelties have given rise to alternations in the recreational activities by which the youth fill up their leisure time. In my point of view, the detriments of this trend outstrip its benefits. There are some irreversible damages inflicted on the younger members of the society due to employing technological gadgets, smartphones, as leading aspects of life bring nothing but addiction to children, culminating in taking on a sedentary lifestyle. Just for example, surfing on Instagram, the most popular social media application. As a consequence, obesity will be yielded. Also, video games, owing to their audio-visual attractions and excitement, hence drawn up the attention of most of the younger generation. Evidently, their face-to-face communication with all people, even their parents, will be likely to be undermined or diminished, and the change of having a marvelous time with their family would be spoiled, ending in isolation, depression, and sentimental distance from other family members. And one of the obvious disadvantages of utilizing advanced technology is that youngsters will have a high possibility to have attention deficit syndrome. In other words, due to spending too much time on smartphones and tablets, children will not be able to concentrate on one thing for a long time and be often grumpy. They will have a high risk of being short-sighted. They may become shy and scared of society. This lifestyle is prone to entail many health problems. Another outcome is poor academic performance. When children become seriously addicted to the games and social networks, they lose attention in their classroom. Besides, some healthy sports activities can disappear from the future if there are too few people interested in them. In conclusion, beneficial as new technologies have been for the quality of children's leisure time, they are likely to cause more harm than benefits and need to be appropriately controlled. All in all, in my opinion, the topic technology has changed the way young people spend their leisure time brought more harm than benefits. Thank you.
Respected guests and principal, dear judges and my dear class fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Aisha Ali from grade 6. I would like to justify my point of view, which is totally in favor of the given topic. Technology has changed the way young people spend their leisure time. Technology refers to the practical application of scientific knowledge. We cannot imagine our world without technology. It is used in almost every phase of life and has changed the way of living. Today, almost everything is dependent upon technology. Technology helps us in enjoying with the help of applications like YouTube, Netflix, and Instagram. Physically challenged children can play any game of their choice virtually on gaming consoles. In the past, women worked all day long without any breaks, as there were no means of entertainment. But now they talk on phones with their friends and family. Technology is something that helps us fulfill our requirements and needs. As people have changed with time, technology has also evolved accordingly. Now, if we glance at the past, we will observe how people used to cook facing different obstacles. But now, we can simply cook on stoves and ovens instead of cooking difficultly on fires in heavy pots. Technology introduced bioengineering, which benefits our environment, health, and nutrition. With the help of technology, people who are deaf can hear, people who are dumb can speak, and it has done wonders that one cannot even imagine. It is through technological advancement that people who once looked at model planets in their leisure time and kept a desire to be on them one day have succeeded in reaching the solar system. Dear judges, technology has got pros and cons, but it is extremely useful for us. So saying that technology is inadequate is totally wrong, as it has always been beneficial for us. It is only us who use technology in a negative way. Thank you. Honorable judges, respected teachers and guests, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ishal Faisal and I am in grade 6. The question if technology is beneficial or not is not an easy question to ponder over. A major change comes in terms of playing. Now, children spend more time over video games than of playing physical games. The excessive use of technology diverts our attention from lots of good things. For example, we don't spend much time with our friends and family, and we can also not focus more on our studies. Technology stimulates our pleasure factor much more than of anything else. So, in the absence of technology, we feel irritated and at a loss. Prior to the advancement in technology, people practice lots of extracurricular activities. For example, we heard from our elders that they spend their leisure time in gardening, painting, reading, writing, and debating with each other on different topics. Not only people used to go for prayers at masjid, they used to recite the Quran daily and do study and translation. Honorable judges, the biggest advantage that I feel is that it took away our leisure time that we could have used in a productive way. Because when we start playing a game or use social media, time just flies away and gives us nothing in terms of education and knowledge. This lifestyle is prone to entail many health problems such as obesity and damaged eyesight. Another outcome is poor academic performance. When child becomes seriously addicted to the social network, they lose their attention in the classroom. At the end, I would like to say that everybody knows that we must manage our time in terms of using technology with some barriers. But I'm a strong believer that it is next to impossible to manage our time when we are using technology. The only solution is to use technology as less as possible. Thank you.
Respected guests, judges, Madam Principal, and my fellow students, the way children spend their leisure time has changed as a result of new technologies. The general assumption is that
Technology has improved the quality of leisure time. The focus has shifted from outdoor to indoor activities and that to mainly screen-based activities. These include playing video games, browsing through social media sites, and watching videos. Technology has made people more able to enjoy themselves even when they are all alone. Young people, especially teenagers, may shy away from face-to-face interaction, and technology provides them a convenient way of staying aloof yet connected. We are able to discover a lot of new content on networks that can make us less stressful. New technologies enable young people to broaden their knowledge through interactive softwares. For example, children can expand their understanding about wildlife by watching Animal World channel. Technology also supports to discover new friends in any part of the world by using social networks such as Facebook or Instagram. In modern gadgets, people have a range of choices to enjoy in their leisure time. Young people learn and search new things from online sources such as Google or YouTube. Internet access is available anywhere all around the world. By using the internet, people can stay in touch with their families, relatives, and friends. People also enjoy online shopping instead of going to shops. People can buy goods, services from the comfort of their home by a click of a button. In addition, they can immerse themselves in global networking sites. For example, Google or YouTube in order to stay up to date with latest information. It also helps in better education. It has created jobs in various sectors for highly skilled people. Life has become very comfortable and easy to live. It has benefited everyone in terms of getting ultimate medical, better transport, and better means of communication. The modern technology is growing and it will going further and hence there is room for all to grow in the future. Thank you.